Welcome back, creators. If you want to skyrocket your channel's growth and capture stunning cinematic footage that keeps your audience hooked, having the right gear is absolutely essential. Today, we are breaking down the best camera for vlogging to elevate your production value and maximize your click-through rates. We have tested and ranked 5 phenomenal cameras that are guaranteed to make your content visually irresistible. Let's dive straight into the list and find your ultimate shooting companion.
Product number 1, DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Vlog Camera. Kicking off our list is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, a revolutionary pocket-sized powerhouse that completely redefines on-the-go video creation. This tiny device packs a massive 1-inch CMO sensor, capturing breathtaking 4K resolution footage with exceptional low-light performance. Its standout feature is the built-in 3-axis mechanical gimbal, delivering flawlessly smooth cinematic stabilization without the need for bulky external rigs. Vlogging is incredibly intuitive thanks to the 2-inch rotatable OLED touchscreen, which allows you to seamlessly switch between horizontal and vertical shooting orientations with a simple twist. It features advanced ActiveTrack 6.0 technology, keeping you perfectly centered in the frame even while moving dynamically. The fast charging capability ensures you spend more time shooting and less time waiting. If you prioritize supreme portability, buttery smooth stabilization, and effortless vertical video integration, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is an absolute game-changer for your daily creative workflow.
Product number 2, Kodak PIXPRO Vlogging Camera. Next up is the Kodak PIXPRO Friendly Zoom FZ55, a fantastic entry-level digital camera that brings classic point-and-shoot simplicity to your modern content creation. Equipped with a sharp 16-megapixel CMOS sensor, it captures crisp, high-resolution photographs and reliable Full HD 1080p video. The FZ55 features a versatile 28mm wide-angle lens accompanied by a smooth 5x optical zoom, allowing you to easily frame sweeping landscapes or get closer to your subject without losing image quality. Its remarkably slim and lightweight profile means it effortlessly slides into any pocket, ensuring you never miss a spontaneous moment. Framing your shots is a breeze using the bright 2.7-inch LCD screen. It operates on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery and supports SD card storage. For creators seeking a budget-friendly, ultra-portable, and incredibly straightforward camera to kickstart their visual journey, the Kodak PIXPRO FZ55 delivers tremendous value and reliable performance.
Product number 3, Sony ZV-1F Vlog Camera. At number 3, we have the Sony ZV-1F, a camera masterfully engineered from the ground up specifically for content creators and dedicated vloggers. It boasts a stunning ultra-wide 20mm prime lens, which is absolutely perfect for capturing expansive backgrounds while keeping yourself clearly in the frame during handheld selfie videos. The ZV-1F features a fully articulating LCD touchscreen that flips out to the side, ensuring you can monitor your framing from any angle. It includes Sony's famous product showcase setting, which instantly transitions focus from your face to an object held up to the lens, eliminating the frustrating wait for focus hunting. The built-in directional 3-capsule microphone captures clear, high-quality audio, while the supplied windscreen drastically reduces outdoor wind noise. If you want a dedicated creator tool with advanced autofocus and soft skin effect options, the Sony ZV-1F is an outstanding investment for your channel.
Product number 4, ZYDIIE 4K Video Camera. Coming in at number 4 is the ZYDIIE 4K Camcorder, a robust and feature-rich option designed for creators who prefer a traditional handycam style with modern high-definition upgrades. This camera captures highly detailed 4K Ultra HD video and impressive 64-megapixel still photos, ensuring your content looks incredibly sharp and professional. A major highlight is the 3-inch IPS touchscreen that rotates a full 270 degrees, giving you complete flexibility to monitor your shots while presenting directly to the lens. It incorporates an 18x digital zoom to help you capture distant subjects and includes enhanced night vision capabilities, allowing you to maintain crisp video quality even in low-light environments. The package is incredibly generous, coming complete with 2 rechargeable batteries, a remote control, and a 32GB memory card. This camcorder is a stellar choice for anyone needing extended recording times and versatile touchscreen framing.
Product number 5, Zostuic 4K Digital Camera.
Rounding out our top 5 is this compact 4K digital camera, an incredibly popular choice for travel vloggers and photography beginners. It utilizes an advanced CMO sensor to deliver vibrant 4K video recording alongside massive 48-megapixel high-resolution photographs. The camera is equipped with a highly convenient 3-inch, 180-degree flip screen, making it completely effortless to frame yourself perfectly for selfies and direct-to-camera vlogs. It features snappy autofocus and integrated anti-shake stabilization technology to ensure your handheld footage remains incredibly clear and devoid of distracting motion blur. It offers fantastic creative features, including a 16x digital zoom, time-lapse recording, and slow-motion video capabilities to add unique flair to your edits. Bundled with 2 batteries, a dedicated charger, and a memory card, this lightweight and portable camera provides an amazing all-inclusive starter kit for capturing dynamic content right out of the box.